Good morning, my name is Manuel Augusto Moya Poveda. I live the Alamos in the city of Bogota. My house is located on Avenida José Celestino Mutis, between the location of Galeon and the Lugar Pharmacy. On the left side, the pharmacy, there is a bakery in the city, and in front of it is Church of San Juan. The neighbor as the Jog Havoc Westland Tank is surrounded by Los Angeles Park. The Style Evolution address and the Body Type Gym on 63rd Street. In front the restaurant Antojitos and between the Maria Ice Cream Shop and the gym in Diver Plaza Shopping Center. With I Life, the green areas are projected with the Botanic Garden, Cincinnati House, aspects of several builds.